Hey y'all, it's a fact. Fuel is one of the biggest costs in trucking. That's why it's so important not to waste it. Using fuel efficiently means keeping more money in your pocket, and we've got a way to help you do that. The ELDdevices advisors team recommends Fuel Hub, the new fuel solution from KeepTruckin. It can help operators and fleets save up to 10% on fuel costs and operate more efficiently. Both the driver and vehicle behaviors can significantly impact fuel spend. The new Fuel Hub for fleets automatically pinpoints which drivers and vehicles are guzzling fuel, so you can adjust accordingly to stop wasting it. For owner operators and fleets alike, KeepTruckin Fuel Hub automatically surfaces wasteful driver behaviors like excessive idling and over RPM, so you know exactly where to focus your efforts on efficiency. You can also track vehicle fuel performance to identify the types of vehicles you want to invest in, or maybe get rid of. Keep Trucking, with its ELD and fleet management technology, is trusted by over 85,000 businesses and owner operators to improve safety, efficiency, and profitability. You can use the link in the description to get paid up to $200 if you become a Keep Trucking customer and start saving now.